Hello everyone, Keith back here with another LEGO video, and today we're going to be building this set right here. This is LEGO Ideas set number 21321, 864 pieces, International Space Station. And here on the front of the box, it gives the dimensions of the set, which is 19.3 inches wide and 12.2 inches tall. And the miniature shuttle is 3.7 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Before we open it up, we'll go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. And on the back of the box, it just shows a couple of close-up pictures of the set, and also what the set looks like sitting on its stand. And up here on the top, it shows the shuttle docking station, and also down here, it shows the International Space Station 20th Anniversary logo. So now let's go ahead and open it up, and let's see what we have to work with. And here we have our manual. And here in the manual it shows a picture of the fan designers of the 3 other LEGO Ideas sets. The NASA Apollo Saturn V rocket, the NASA Mars Curiosity rover, and the Women of NASA. And here's a picture and some information on the fan who designed this set. And this set has 6 numbered bags and 145 steps. So let's go ahead and open up the bags. And let's get building. So here it is finished, and I'm really happy to add this to my NASA Lego collection, and we'll take a closer look at it whenever I do my photos. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.